When the body first encounters a new pathogen, a battle begins within. Naive B and T cells detect the unfamiliar threat. The immune response is slow. It can take days. The system must identify the pathogen and activate the right cells. B cells start producing antibodies. Killer T cells target and destroy infected cells. Some B cells become plasma cells that make large amounts of antibodies. T cells become effector cells to help clear the infection. The body wins and learns, ready for next time. During the primary immune response, the body fights off the infection using activated B and T cells. After the infection is cleared, most of these immune cells die off. But some special B cells and T cells survive. These become memory B cells and memory T cells. They remember the specific pathogen and can survive for years or even a lifetime, ready to respond faster next time.
Now imagine that same virus tries to invade again. This time, your memory cells instantly recognize it and jump into action. It triggers our immune system, which called secondary immune system. What is secondary immune system? It is the immune system's faster, stronger, and more efficient reaction to a pathogen it has previously encountered. This occurs due to immunological memory formed during the primary immune response. It's like your immune system has face recognition software installed. The moment the virus enters, it's flagged and eliminated, often before you feel any symptoms. Memory B cells pump out large amounts of antibodies within hours. Memory T cells quickly destroy infected cells. The entire response is faster and stronger. That's why you might not get sick twice from diseases like chickenpox, measles, or mumps. They leave behind a strong memory. After the first infection or vaccination, memory B cells and memory T cells remain in the body. These memory cells circulate or stay in lymphoid tissues, constantly surveilling for the same antigen, foreign substance, they've encountered before. When the same antigen enters the body again, memory cells recognize it immediately, much faster than naive cells would during the first exposure. No need for full antigen presentation and co-stimulation steps like in the primary response. They're already trained. Memory B cells quickly proliferate, multiply, and differentiate into plasma cells. Next, plasma cells produce high-affinity, class-switched antibodies, like IgG instead of the slower IgM. These antibody production happens in hours instead of days. Now the pathogen had been neutralized before it can spread or cause symptoms. While for the memory T cell activation, it includes memory helper T cells, which is CD4+, and memory cytokine T cells called CD8+. First, memory helper T cells rapid release cytokines to help B cells and activate other immune cells, whereas memory cytotoxin T cells immediately target and kill infected cells, limiting viral replication. Next, relationship between vaccination and immunological memory. What is vaccine? A vaccine is a biological preparation that stimulates your immune system to recognize and fight a specific pathogen, like a virus or bacteria, without causing disease. It contains inactivated or weakened pathogens, e.g. measles, polio vaccines, fragments of pathogens, e.g. hepatitis B surface protein, and genetic material, e.g. mRNA in COVID-19 vaccines, that instructs your body to make a harmless version of part of the pathogen, like the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2. How vaccination triggers immunological memory. Vaccination mimics natural infection, so that immune system able to activates B cells, which start producing antibodies. Next activates T cells, which help coordinate the immune response and kill infected cells, if a live or mRNA vaccine is used. Last forms memory B and T cells that remember the pathogen. For secondary immune response, after vaccination, When you're later exposed to the real pathogen, your memory cells able to recognize it immediately, then mount a rapid, strong immune response, and often eliminate the pathogen before symptoms appear. Conclusion: the power of immunological memory. Immunological memory is the immune system's remarkable ability to remember past infections and respond faster and stronger the next time they appear. It's how we recover quicker from reinfections, and the reason vaccines protect us from deadly diseases without making us sick. Thanks to memory B and T cells, our bodies can mount a powerful defense, often eliminating threats before we even notice them. This lifelong protection is one of the most vital tools in medicine, helping both individuals and entire communities stay healthy.